In this video, we will be talking about the site assistant or the assistant. The site assistant brings a lot of great features to the ARP portal. Everything from tasks to messaging to calendar to notifications and to a generalized search across the whole system. It also offers things like hints about products, information either to new agents or to returning agents that just need refresher on what some of this stuff means or what this product does. It also provides information on inputs when you're inside the quote itself, which is very helpful in a lot of cases. Going back to the original, in the first thing we'll look at is tasks. Tasks in the site assistant are great for workflow productivity. We have automated tasks that will populate as you start new quotes and are going through quotes, complete and send to quote to customer. Things like bind and submit and payment collection stuff all pops up in here. If it's something you can currently do, like completing the quote, it will be in the actionable task. And if it's something that you're waiting on, like you have sent an email to a client and are waiting for binder back, it will go into the pending. So you know kind of what you can do and what you're waiting on. It also allows you quick access to look at the information provided about said customer on the task or the submission that you posted with this task specifically. From here you can add new tasks being anything from call new client to get information about said customers, entity, business, whatever it is. We can set this to, we'll actually make this an actionable task, so it's not a pending task. We're going to call new client and we are going to set it to our test customer. We need to call him by Friday at 3 p.m. and we will create this task. And then that task will pop up here as due date being Friday, and it wants us to call new client. We can add notes to this task. Such as needs better rate, and we can add it to that customer so we can go through and keep good notes on what we need to do for this specific task. We can also complete and abandon the task. We'll say we completed this task and it will go away from your task. Next is the messaging. The messaging is nice because you can be going through different things throughout the portal, such as creating a new quote, clients, leads, etc., etc. And as you're doing that, you don't necessarily want to get out of that, but you want to message your customer. So if we go in here, we are going through that test customer's portal. We can email or text him and say, hey, I need the roof year on your household, and we can send that to our customer, and hopefully he responds speedily with the information, right? Next is the calendar. The calendar is a scheduler for the customers, your customers specifically, and this goes back to that user profile. The times and stuff you have submitted for when you would like to be working, or you would like users to be able to schedule calls with you and such. Those will pop up in here if anyone has scheduled a call with you. And then next is notifications. Notifications will pop up when you are quoting or rating something, and we will see this as we continue on with these videos and we go through some quotes. It'll pop up if you leave a quote that you had previously rated but it hadn't completed. Once that rating is done and things like that, it will pop up in your notifications. You can click on it and head straight back to that quote if you were doing something else. Last but not least is the search. Search is a great tool, especially if you are using the system on a daily basis or creating a lot of quotes is you tend to lose stuff and you don't necessarily know where to find or how to find it. This lets you search everything from numbers to names to just submission names or your quote name, and you should be able to find whatever you are looking for. That is all for the Site Assistant. Hopefully that was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.